This is a nice place, bro. What's down there? Oh, that's the finish line. What if I just glitch to the wall kung kabalo? Guys, let's go! In mentally ill man ta. Wait lang! Wait lang ba? I-click ang lever. Ala! Ay, never mind. Nakapagod na hulog po. Ay, no.
Where are you, bro?
Wait lang.
I died. Wait lang, wait for me, bro.
I'm at the Skeletonis. I'm at the end of the Skeletonis.
Broski, wait for me.
Yeah, I'm waiting for you at the end.
Nah,
Bro, I'm literally at the end of the Skeletonis.
bro, please wait for me.
Mentally ill. Where are you, broski?
Wait lang, nato ko sa object.
Nasa obi. Sige, magudog-hulog. Dude, bro, are you at the Skeletonis now? I am waiting for you like this.
Wait lang, Broski, I'm at the skeleton.
Do you see me? Bro, I fell. Bro, nag-lag ko. Nag-disconnect na. Bro, I disconnect.
Bro, Jane, I get this game is kind of fun, bro.
Yeah. Skeletonis. Yo! We're back because na-disconnect tayo. Paano ipag-click? Done. There. Then we will do the thing again. Wait for me, okay, Rolando, sa Skeletonis sa last part.
Okay.
Because I waited for you.
Engage.
Kaya wala yung ship lock. Nandito ako sa Skeletonis.
Okay, I saw you. I fell down.
I fell down. I also fell down. I saw you. You're at the skill. Let's go. Mama. Wow. Mama.
Bro.
Come on. What you want to land away? Pagkalaro mo gabi. Asa na ka, Rolandos? Pagkalayo ni mo dong. Kalayo ni mo dong, oy. Nasa pink na ko. Katong sa mga needle. Nasa mga needle na ko dong. Nasa na ka dong. Dong, asan nakadong? Bro, I literally see you falling and falling forever. I see you. Oh. Oh, labos. Ay, nahulog ko din. Tama. Phobos and Deimos. Oh, sige. Oh. Damn. Oh. Wow. Finally. Finally, broski. na, oy. Why you falling? Just go in first person if you want ship lock. Ako, gusto ko. Bro. Wee! Wow.
Wow.
Three, two, one, go. Meow. Rolandos, asan na ka, Rolandos?
I'm at the, what do you call this? It's not the lab.
I know you're at the lava part. Are you at the speedrun part? Bro, I went up now. I went up. Huh? Looks like we can only go down. Ah! Skibidi dop, yes, skibidi dop. Broski. Broski. Oh, wow. La. Broski, asan na ka?
I'm still at the lab part.
Are you done with the speedrunning part?
Not
I think I can do the lava part again while waiting for you. I'm gonna do the lava part again to see if I'm faster than you. Did you do it?
yeah, I'm done.
Oh, okay, wait lang. Okay, go to the elevator. Let's go. Follow me. Palma. Hoy! Use your brain.
Yeah, I forgot.
Use your brain for a month. Nasa other side, lagi ta. Diri! Ato ta sa sulod ng Eyo! Gipatay ko ng chainsaw. Wait lang for me, bro. Please. I accidentally died by the chainsaw. Doink! Before, first try man ako, oy. Dapat sa middle.
Ako, first try na ko.
Ako second try. Pero dati, kay first try. Kay sa middle, manggod ko nag-agi. Ito, sayon kayo ni. Uy, yung heart. Porang ulo. Sira ulo. Nasa bones. Just go to the side. Yung katong na thickness ba. Lando, I know this trick. Do you know the trick? I know. Wait lang. I have hacks.
Yeah, I know.
Kani.
Slide.
Kana. Then this one. Then wait. It's right. Left. Right. Okay, ikaw. Diri.
Let's watch this.
Uy, ni si spinal column.
Yo.
Why did we go into the middle? Dapat solid ng middle. Lando katong bata pa ko, nag-rage quit good ko ani sa game na ni ba? I always Done. Nasa spine na ko. Nasa spine.
Oh,
Let's go.
bro, look at the big bird. It's better than
Murag ulo mana ng character. Hoy, murag lato-lato. Lato. Right up. Pondo. What the hell? Unsa man ni timing? Naglag maning. Bro, wala ta time. Wait lang, bro. Uy, tae. Gianong tae. Gitamakan. Uy, nasa toilet na ko. Sa skibidi toilet.
Wait lang, bro. Wait for me.
Uy, nagbutot.
Kabaho, oy.
Tinada. Uy! Ah! Wow! Nasa toilet gani. Tapos, nang utot. Nasa toilet, oh! Nasa toilet. Tapos bigla lang na... Sigaw.
It just got
Damn. Pa-shortcut pa, koy. Yan. Damn. Mama. Yo. Oh, easy.
the game.
Yay! Bro, that easy. Hoy, I'm gonna get the favorite color. Whoa, look at this. Bro, get the path. Get the speed pad. And also the jump. It's raining tacos. Mag-flex to sa ibang player diri sa spawn.
Where?
Diri.
Oh, the spawn. Where's spawn?
Come here, bro. Follow me. Wait lang. I-enable yung katong jump. Wait lang. Did you set your spawn point?
Yeah.
Okay, respawn sa.
Wait. Spawn.
Tapos i-ano lang yung speed lang. Ayun ang jump. Okay, we will just angas dito. Wala mo. Oh, wala mo. Dapat wala yung speed na po. It's spam lang. It just spam, bro. Damn. Nasa window ko. Let me just flip the lever. Bro, nasa taas ka? Bro, this obby is too easy. We completed it. Just okay. Enable the jump. Let's enable the jump. Let's explore, bro. Ay, kani katong skeleton. Sus. Dali oh, sus. Mag-restart ta. Oh, bye-bye.
Ikaw ano na lang, 10 minutes